My name is Daniel Law. I have two little boys, two crazy little boys. I live in Gilbert, Arizona, and my wife is Allison. We've been married for about 9 years. I've been cleaning and restoring flooring for about 11 or 12 years, but under the name of Suds, it's been almost 5. So I started back in the summer of 2008. I've known Kent since about 2005. So I've known him personally and professionally since then. He's a great guy. And it didn't take long for us to be able to establish a really good rapport and a very good friendship as well. I was with competitor X. I was with Allstate, and I thought I was doing okay. And for me, the switch to Insurance Professionals of Arizona with Kent wasn't really about the money. Saving the money was a bonus. Kent's a great guy, and I wanted my business with Kent. But nonetheless, he approached me and said, "Hey, I think that I could save you some money," and I said, "Okay, let's see what we can do." And he ran the numbers and came up saving me over $800 a year. So it was a bonus. It was a financial bonus for me, and it was an easy decision to make. I'd been with my agent for several years. But it was a pretty easy decision to make. What I love is that he always answers his phone. That's amazing, because if there's a problem, I haven't had to file a claim. But if I have a question on my policy or about billing or whatever else, Ken always answers his phone. It is extremely convenient having all of my various insurances in one place. And I am a business owner, so I require commercial insurance, health insurance, homeowners insurance, car insurance, liability, life insurance. So it is nice to have all of my insurance in one place. I go to one place for billing. And the beautiful thing is that Ken is a broker. Ken is able to broker out and custom tailor a package that's going to work for me, whether that's on my commercial policy or on my auto policy or on my homeowner's insurance policy or whatever it might be. I definitely respect the fact that Kent is he's educated, and he views himself as a professional. And with that, he has taken all sorts of licensing exams and certifications to get where he is. And as a professional myself, I definitely respect that. And it makes me want to do business with someone like that, because I view myself as a professional, and there's a lot of guys in my profession that don't see themselves that same way. And I'm sure that they can say the same thing about insurance, that sometimes everyone and their brother are selling insurance, and I don't feel that Kent's like that. He's here to stay. He has a legitimate operation going. And he definitely takes care of his customers. Trust is huge in any business transaction, but I would say especially with insurance, because not only is he insuring the things that I value most, but I do trust Ken to the extent to where I knew that if something wrong, I would have the proper coverage, and I don't really worry about that. That's never really crossed my mind. I think, oh no, what if I'm not properly insured and I get in an accident? And I don't really do a whole lot of research there, but I know that Kent does. So I know that I'm properly insured, that I have enough coverage in the various aspects that I'm at. And he does his semi-annual audits, and he takes a look and sees what I need or what may have changed, and we can custom tailor the packages to work for the future, or whether kids are coming into the scene, new arrivals, or what have you. Yeah, I would, and I am happy to refer, and I do refer. Yeah, just because of the trust, because of the friendship, and the brokering capability is huge. Allstate doesn't have that luxury, and American Family doesn't have that luxury. Geico, they don't have that luxury. You have your insurance with Geico or Allstate or American Family. Can broker out to all these different insurance companies that specialize in the various policies that you may need, and that's huge. You just can't find that in every insurance agency. My name is Daniel Law, and I recommend Kent Stewart as your insurance agent.